Let me explain different type of set. The first type we have considered finite set. As the name indicated, if the element of the set are finite in numbers, then the set is called a finite set. For example, set of all states in India, set of all months in a year, set of vowels in English alphabet, set of even prime number. In all these set, these elements can be counted. So this type of set is known as a finite set in which the elements are countable, or if the elements of a set are finite in number, then the set is called a finite set. Similarly, infinite set. If the elements of a set are infinite in number, then the set is called an infinite set. For example, n, the set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash. We can't show all the elements here. So we can write it as what? N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash. It is what? Infinite set. Similarly, W, the set of whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, we can write down 4 or 5 elements, then we should put the dash. Again, the whole numbers are uncountable, so it is what? Infinite set. Similarly, R, the set of real numbers. X, where X is a real number. All these are what? Infinite set. So this is the difference between finite set and the infinite set. In finite set, the elements can be counted, but in the infinite sets, the elements can never be counted. So these are what the difference between finite set and the infinite sets. Then comes the singleton set. As the name indicated, the set having only one element is known as a singleton set. For example, the set of having even prime number. We know about prime number. The set of having even prime number. Our prime number are starting from 2. Only 2 is the even prime number. After that, 3, 5, 7, all other prime number are odd prime number. So therefore, set of having even prime number, that is what? Only it has single element. So it is known as singleton sets. Similarly, I have considered this set X, where X lies between 11 and 13 and X belongs to N. It means we have to count down the natural number lying between 11 and 13. And now we know between 11 and 13 we have only one natural number, that is 12. So again it is the example of what? Singleton set. Means the set having only one element is known as singleton set. Similarly, the most important, the set is empty set or null set or the void set. These are the three names given to this set. We can call it as empty set or null set or a void set. As empty, name indicated empty set. It means a set having no element is called a null set. It is denoted by just to put the curly bracket and showing no element in the set. So this is the notation that can be used for the null set or phi. This is a sign of phi. It is also the notation used for the empty set, or you can say the null set. These are the two representation of what? Empty set, or it is what? Phi. Both are the notation for empty set or the null set. Now let us see the example of it. The set of odd integer greater than 7 and less than 9. Now the set of odd integer should be odd, greater than 7 and less than 9. Now between 7 and 9 we are having one integer that is odd. Sorry, we are having one integer that is 8, and 8 is not an odd integer, 8 is what? Even. Therefore the set of odd integer greater than 7 and less than 9, between 7 and 9 we are having only one even integer, we are not having any odd integer, so it is an example of what? Empty set. Just see here, the note is here, the set I am writing here, this is not empty set. Be careful about it. Set having element what? We have shown the element 0, so therefore we cannot say it is an empty set as it contains the element 0. So this is about the different type of set. Now today we have studied first what is the meaning of set. Set is well defined collection of objects, that is known as set. Then I have shown it how to represent the set. The set can be denoted by any capital alphabets, and generally the element in the set are shown by small alphabet. Then I have explained about what the representation of set. There are two type of representation. The one is tabular form or the roster form, and the second is what, rule method or the set builder form. One form can be converted into the another form. Then I have studied about the different type of set. I have explained about what finite set, then infinite set, then comes singleton set, and then the empty set. This is all about today lecture. What we have studied? We have studied about the sets, and tomorrow I will discuss the question based upon today lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day, 11 class.